We are in the middle of one of the STS Med demo plants. This is the plant in Palermo. It's a large field that has been installed inside the University of Palermo campus in an area that the university has given for the project. This is the end of a long project that lasted for 4 years, where we have analyzed the behavior of high insulated regions in the Mediterranean area. We have 14 partners, all distributed in the solar belt in the Mediterranean Sea. These are demonstrative plants that want to show that we can use the solar energy with polygenerative approach to give services to buildings, to settlements, to communities. We have designed plants with the right mix of technologies to link solar collectors with high performance with a system that can generate the different services to be provided to the buildings.
This is the first time that in Sicily we create a solar laboratory available for all the researchers of the university and for the technicians that want to understand the use of solar system. We have installed here 3 linear Fresnel collectors, mirrors able to heat an oil and the thermic oil inside the absorber tubes. We heat the oil till about 250 degrees and we store all this energy inside a thermal storage. We designed the first thermocline molten salt thermal storage of about 400 thermal kilowatt-hour, able to give this energy to an ORC, an equipment that we use to produce electricity, and a chiller. This kind of systems is a polygenerative system, and it's very important for the community, for the scientific community and for technical community to understand how these systems can be replaced in all Euro-Mediterranean countries.
The system that we have installed in Cyprus took about a year, providing cool air to the adjacent building. Cyprus has peculiar needs for energy, especially in the summer. Concentrated solar power is an alternative to the well-established photovoltaics that we have all around the southern Mediterranean and all across Europe and the world. An alternative to the wind power that we also have in the island at the moment. Scientifically, the project is very interesting. We have finished commissioning it and we expect to do a lot more experiments with it in the next 2, 3, 5, 10 years. So there is certainly an element of sustainability for the project and for the system itself.
A camera permits us to have a real-time view on the field of Cyprus. This solar platform will reduce dramatically the energy consumption for air conditioning of this near to zero energy building. In Cyprus, many roofs, like the one we see on the camera, are located in the city. They are flat and the orientation is optimal for the settlement of a Fresnel collector.
I am now at the rooftop of Al-Khwarizmi building at Al Hosn University College. The CSP plant behind me is a major deliverable of STS Med project. The specific objectives of the project are to facilitate the adoption of CS small-scale integrated systems in the Mediterranean basin and to create new opportunities for the commercial and industrial sectors by improving technical skills of professionals and enabling SMEs to set up a full supply chain in the solar energy sector. The plant generates electric power, cooling, heating, hot water, and distilled water from a single source of energy, which is solar energy.
All the plants share the idea to to be multi-generation plants. That means generating electricity, desalination, water heating and cooling to fit the requirements of the buildings. Especially, these plants are connected via a central control system in which all the partners can view and monitor the performance of other plants in other countries. It is not only for plants, it is for schools, it's for research schools, it's for teaching schools installed in 4 different countries, and by itself it is sustainable. For example, in Egypt, we have got the training of simple technicians. For the first time they install such plants. We have got experience now. We have local supply chains, local manufacturers who were interested and who were involved in the installation of such a plant. Thank you for ARCA, thank you for MB, thank you for ASRT, thank you for all the partners from Jordan, Italy, Cyprus for their efforts in this project. Thank you.